Makiria wa miaka iri kuma waki wa thibitari ya Mama Lucy kurugamio aikaria matura ma Korogosho, Mukuru, Dandora, Kariobangi na Kayole guku Nairobi mari na undu wa gukenera thutha wa waki ucio kurugurio ringi. Kuringana na minista wa ugima wa mwiri wa ihinda kaunti ya Nairobi Veska Kangogo, waki ucio warugamire thutha wa ministry ya ugima wa mwiri kurugamia kigina kuri waki wa thibitari ino ona gutuika gicunje kia 85 kia uthio wa mbere waki-ini ucio ni kiarikite.
But there were competing interests. There were things which had to be done first and others to be done. So it is through planning that now the county government, through planning, they were able to do first things first, then also do the next things which were also important.
Gukiri uguo, waki ucio ni uguthie na mbere thutha wa thirikari ya kaunti ya Nairobi kuiga keheri-ini ciringi mirioni 72 kurikia itiina ria mbere arigeria aria kugacirithia motungata thibitari-ini ino undu umwe na namba ya arwaru aria marigitagwo thiini wa muthenya umwe.
This is the first phase, but because of the urgency and the pressure that we have in Mama Lucy, we are going to complete this part first, so that we can have the 72 bed capacity as we complete the other section or the two other phases for us to have the total 700 bed capacity.
Kangogo ni ugite andu a wendi mwega ni merutire kurikia waki wa thibitari iyo undu umwe na kugacirithio kwa ugitiri.
One thing that we are excited about is not only that we have the money to finish the project, we already have donors who are willing to join us. MSF is ready and willing to give us equipment for the ICU and HDU, for a 30 bed capacity ICU and HDU here in Mama Lucy. Itiina ria mbere rigukorwo na itanda 72 wodi, maternity, ICU na motungata wa HDU, waki uria utanyitwo gukorwo rikite tugikinyiria mwisho wa mwaka uyu. Andu-ini ha Kameme TV, njita kama wa Mwagi.